Unlocking the secrets of quantum mechanics. Welcome to the fascinating world of quantum mechanics. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the world we can see and touch? Well, quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that seeks to understand the behavior of matter and energy at the subatomic level. In this video, we will explore the basics of quantum mechanics, and how it shapes our understanding of the universe. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of matter and energy at the subatomic level. It is a fascinating subject that has many strange and mysterious phenomena, such as superposition, entanglement, and wave-particle duality. What is quantum mechanics? Quantum mechanics is a theoretical framework that describes how particles such as electrons and photons interact with each other and with energy. It helps to explain phenomena such as the behavior of electrons in atoms and the properties of materials. Wave-particle duality. One of the most interesting and mysterious phenomena of quantum mechanics is the wave-particle duality. This means that particles such as electrons can exhibit both wave-like and particle-like behavior, depending on how they are observed. This is in contrast to classical mechanics, which describes the behavior of particles as strictly particle-like. Superposition. Another strange phenomenon of quantum mechanics is superposition. This means that a quantum system can exist in multiple states at the same time until it is observed or measured. This is different from classical mechanics, where a system can only exist in one state at a time. Entanglement. Entanglement is another peculiar phenomenon of quantum mechanics. It means that two particles can become entangled, so that the state of one particle affects the state of the other, even if they are separated by large distances. This phenomenon has been used in quantum computing and quantum communication. Applications of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics has many practical applications, such as in quantum computing and quantum cryptography. It is also used in other fields such as chemistry, materials science, and condensed matter physics. Research in quantum mechanics is also helping to improve our understanding of the universe and may lead to new technologies in the future. Conclusion. Quantum mechanics is a fascinating and mysterious subject that has many strange phenomena. It has many practical applications and is helping to improve our understanding of the universe. It's a challenging subject, but with a deeper understanding, it can help us unlock the secrets of the quantum world. Despite its complexity and seemingly counterintuitive nature, quantum mechanics has been extremely successful in explaining a wide range of phenomena and making accurate predictions. It has led to many technological advancements and continues to be an active area of research. While it may be difficult for the layperson to fully grasp the intricacies of quantum mechanics, understanding the basics and some of the key concepts can give us a deeper appreciation of the strange and fascinating nature of the quantum world. So if you're interested in learning more about quantum mechanics and the secrets it holds, keep exploring and learning more about this fascinating subject. Thank you for watching.